Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add your trusted contacts in the Uber app on your iPhone or Android device. The Uber app includes a helpful safety feature called Trusted Contacts, which allows you to share your trip details with people you trust. By adding trusted contacts, your selected friends or family members can receive right information, including your route and estimated arrival time. This feature helps improve safety and peace of mind when traveling. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Uber app on your iPhone or Android device. Then you have to make sure you are logged in to your account. After that, you have to tap on the account icon located in the bottom corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the settings option to proceed. After that, you have to head over to the safety section to access Uber's safety tools. Then you have to tap on Manage Trusted Contacts option. Then you have to tap on Add Trusted Contact and choose someone from your phone's contact list. And finally, you have to confirm your selection and allow Uber to send them an invitation if required. And that's pretty much it. Once you add trusted contacts in the Uber app, you can easily share your trip status with them whenever you request a ride. This feature allows your selected contacts to follow your journey in real time, helping ensure that someone you trust always knows where you are during a trip. If needed, you can return to the safety settings anytime to add, remove, or update your trusted contacts depending on your needs. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arises. And I'll catch you up in the next one.